Kia ora guys, so yesterday we talked about this word up here, and that was habitats. We talked about our own habitats, and you created a picture of your habitat and the environment that you live in. Habitats come in all shapes and sizes. For example, rabbits can dig burrows underground and sleep in tiny spaces. But for example, a lion needs a larger habitat as it is a larger creature. Just like humans, certain animals wouldn't be able to survive in certain environments. Like for example, this camel would not be able to survive in the polar bear's habitat. This is because things like diet, appearance, threats and reproduction all come into this. For example, the diet of a camel will be much different to a polar bear in Antarctica. And it wouldn't have the instincts to be able to catch fish like a polar bear, potentially, because it hasn't had exposure to this before. Things like appearance also help them with their diet and other aspects. For example, a bear has very long claws and sharp teeth. Camels don't have claws, so wouldn't be able to hunt in the same way as them. So now we can use this information for our activity. So what you're going to be doing today is choosing an animal. So it might be the camel or the polar bear that we've already spoken about, or it could be something else. Then with that, you're going to research their diet. So what do they eat? Their habitat, their appearance. So what do they look like? And their threats. So the things that threaten them. I want you to present this in a poster. You can do this through pictures or through writing. And we look forward to seeing them.